In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new list report. There will be 3 follow-up tutorials going into detail on each of the sections in the list report. So to create a new report, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected. If you plan on sharing your report, it's easier to create it in the enterprise and share it with everyone. Next, choose Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Designs. To add a new report, click Add. You do need to choose a source for your report. I'm going to click this arrow and scroll down to Scheduling: Schedule Shifts. Next, name your report. I'm going to name this Example. Then choose your report type. If I click the arrow next to List, you'll see you have 2 options, List or Crosstab. I'm going to leave this on List for this video. If you don't want to create this report, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now your new report has been created. When you create a report, you can change the name, but you cannot change the source or the type. You will have to create a new report to do that. Next, you need to add some columns into your report. I'm going to create a report showing the scheduled shifts of my employees, so I'm going to choose to group it by employee. Under Sort/Group, I'm going to choose Add, scroll down, and click Employee Full Name. If you don't want to add this column, click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now my report will be sorted by the employee full name. Next, I need to add the actual columns. So I will click the Add button, and I'm going to scroll down. I do want to see the date, so I'm going to click Date. Then I'm going to keep scrolling, and I'm going to add employee full name as well. Before you do that, hold down Control on your keyboard, then click Employee Full Name, then release Control. That's how you can select multiple items from this list at one time instead of adding one at a time. I'm going to continue scrolling down, hold Control, and choose Hours, then release Control, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit more to add Shift End and Shift Start. Again, I held down Control when I clicked those 2 options. If you don't want to add these columns, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Save. And now those columns have been added. In order for these changes to go into effect, you do need to save them. So at the top of your chart, click Save. A green save bar will appear under the main menu bar, letting you know when this page was last saved. If I want to share this report, I can click the box next to options titled Shared. This will share the report with everyone. If I don't want to do that, I only want to share it with a specific person, I can scroll down and under Access, choose Add. Now I can select a specific user to share this report with. Maybe I'll pick Max. If you don't want to share this with a specific user, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. Then I'm going to exit out of this by choosing Close. And now Max has been given access to this report. I'm going to scroll back up to the top and choose Save. Now your report has been created. To view your report, go to the top of your chart and choose View. This is what your report looks like. Right now it's a little bit messy because all we did was add columns. We didn't change how those columns were shown. That's how you can create a report in Teamwork 5. To learn how to adjust how this report is shown, such as how the date is reported and the order of this information, check out the next couple of report videos.